Welcome back. This is Matt with InSoFast. We're about to finish this container with InSoFast, but first we need to do a couple things. Before you start with your InSoFast, you're going to want to cut all your openings and have your windows and doors installed. In this instance, we already cut our window in, so we have that taken care of. The other thing you're going to want to do is thoroughly clean your container. You want to get any dust off the walls, or especially if there's any oil residue for any reason. It's very, very important that you clean that off. going to be using max panels on the ceiling of this container to get a little more insulation value. So one thing that we're going to have to do is create a ledge for the edge of the panel to sit on. We're going to do this by cutting the CX-44 on the sidewalls a little bit short. We're going to put this up as a reference and then measure our distance to the panel. And we're right at 18 inches, so I'm probably going to give it about 3/16 of wiggle room in there. So I'm going to do about 17 and 13/16 for this cut. Now that we have our sidewall panels installed and our ceiling inserts installed, we're ready to install our max panels on the ceiling. Now that we have the ceiling installed, we're going to leave the braces up for at least 24 hours to cure the adhesive. So there you have it. That's the complete install video for this container. This container is now ready for the finishes to be installed. You can also insulate the doors and the floor. On this container, it wasn't necessary. We installed the max panels on the ceiling to give us a little more insulation over the normal 2-inch or 2.5-inch panels that you'd install on the ceiling. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.